If you want to charge all the devices using your POCO F8 Pro, then in order to do so, you need to use a USB cable, because in the case of POCO F8 Pro, we only have a wired power sharing. Unfortunately, the wireless option is not available on POCO F8 Pro. So if you want to charge other devices, once you get your USB-C cable, we need to connect our phone to that other device. And then there is a chance that you will immediately start charging, as you can see over here. However, there is also a chance that you will be charged instead, especially if you connect to another phone, and if, for example, the other phone has more battery. So if that happens, if your phone is being charged instead, you want to go to notifications, and usually in notifications you should be able to find this option that allows you to either activate reverse charging, or there is like charging using USB or something like that. Like you can see over here, charging connected device via USB. So in this case, you have to select that option and choose reverse charging. In my case, for some reason, it doesn't appear. So ideally you want to reconnect both devices. But yeah, if that happens, if you have that notification, then you can select it in order to fix that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.